This is the Songbird Nature. And right now we're having a sun shower here in New England. The sun was just showing, but now it's behind those clouds. It's raining really hard. Wow, look at the puddle. Let's see if I can. I'll get wet. It is raining. Oh, the kids love the rain here. They're always going to come out and play in the rain, but it's cold. A little bit nippy, not cold, but a little. Look at her. See? It's a little nippy though. But we live here, so we're used to it. Like people down south are used to the heat. Ooh, that must be due to that hurricane that's going on. Even though it's far away from here, I know that hurricanes cause a lot of rain in other places. Affects the whole planet, tornadoes and all. Earthquakes the other day. It's wet all the way up on the porch. So I figure I'll open the door and let some of that nice air in here. Oh yeah, my lungs are really loving this. Oh yeah. My lungs are loving this. Oh wow, look how hard it's coming down. Look at that puddle. Mm-mm. Look at that rain. They're so excited. It was hot earlier. It was very hot. It was sweating hot. Like, I went to the store next door and started sweating. That's beautiful. Oh. Oh, my lungs is loving this. Oh yeah, I got my cake in the oven. It's in a bread. It's in a glass bread pan, so therefore it won't be too big for me. And I got my stewed chicken, and I'm making macaroni salad. Oh yeah, just enough for me in a little pot. That way I don't have to throw anything away, and because I will not can't eat the leftovers. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, look, it looks like two eyes over there. I don't know why it's not showing up on the camera. That's kind of strange. It's weird. You point right at it. I don't see it on the camera. Look like two big, giant fire eyes. Where the sun is beneath the clouds. So beautiful. It smells real good. Nice and fresh. I don't smell anything that stinks at all. And it's a good thing they took the trash today. They, mm, oh, so perfect. Nature is so perfect. So many people have a fit when it rains. I don't know why. I mean, I hear the reasons why, but I love it. Look at that. It's making a whole stream. It made a whole stream really quick. If it wasn't for that drain right there, I'm sure this parking lot would be very full. It's nothing to worry about. We need some fresh air. We need it. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So amazing. It just smells. I can smell the food I'm cooking, the food someone else is cooking. Oh, and the fresh, fresh air. Oh my. I'm gonna breathe as much of this as I can. Oh, mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Oh, I just finished my nice fat steak sandwich. It was really good with just onions and steak and pepper. Oh God, it was delicious. I looked down, I put it down, I took a couple of bites, I thought, and then I didn't want to eat in the bedroom, so I sat it down on top of the stove and then come back. You know, I sat down, watched the show. It couldn't even wait 5 minutes. Went back in the kitchen to take a bite of my sandwich, and it looked like it was like evenly too. A bit across evenly. It's like only like a fourth of it left down at the bottom, like evenly across. I'm like, wow, I didn't even realize I ate it like that. Oh, it's over. It's over now. Look at the puddle. Aw. It comes quick and it leaves fast over here in New England. It seems like we never have rain that lasts for a really long time, but that's okay. Oh, that fresh air is so wonderful. I'm gonna let all that in my house. Look, gotta go. Peace, love, and light. Gotta check the cake.